Raz and the cat in the moonlight. The night before Christmas was quiet and still. Raz sat by his window watching the snowflakes fall. Suddenly, tap, 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 came a sound on the window pane. Raz looked up. A pair of bright green eyes were staring in. He opened the door carefully, and in slipped a sleek black cat with a tiny silver bell on its collar. "Well, hello there," Raz whispered. But when he bent down to read the tag, there was no name, just one word: follow. The cat trotted outside into the moonlit forest. Raz grabbed his lantern and followed, crunching through the soft snow. They passed tall pine trees, glowing softly under the moon, until the cat stopped beside an old wooden bench. Something glittered beneath it. Raz knelt down and gasped. A small golden box tied with red ribbon. Inside was a note that read, "For the one who tells stories and spreads cheer." There was also a tiny star-shaped charm that sparkled in the lantern light. The cat purred, circled Raz once, and then, poof, vanished into the snowy mist. Raz smiled. "A Christmas mystery indeed," he whispered, holding the charm close. "Thank you, little moonlight cat."